Today we have the best tutorial for you, and it's all about an amazing app called Custom UDP. This app provides every kind of server in one place, in a simple and straightforward way. With this app, you'll always have access to updated and working servers that you can get anytime, anywhere. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, we need to get the app. To do this, open your browser and search for UDP Custom. Click on the official website link, and once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner. There, you'll see the menu button. Tap it to expand the list, then scroll down and click the Connect Me button. After that, select WhatsApp Me. This will open a WhatsApp chat. In the chat, simply send the word hi. You'll then receive a message with links. Next, send your email address so it can be added to the app's review list. Once you've done that, you'll get the link to download the app. Remember, this app is not available on the Play Store yet, so this method is the only way to get it. But don't worry, it will soon be available officially. Once the app is downloaded and installed, open it. Inside, you'll find a variety of servers. For example, you can select a premium 30-day server. Just click it and copy the server details. Now, open the HTTP Custom app. On the home page, make sure to check the UDP Custom box. Then paste the IP, port, username, and password in their respective fields. After filling in the details, simply click the Connect button. Within a few seconds, the server will connect, giving you a fast and stable internet connection. And that's it! You're now ready to enjoy high-speed browsing with Custom UDP. If this tutorial was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.